Hi, my name is Varushka, and I help people and organizations reframe diversity, equity, and inclusion by expanding their capacity for deep listening, mutuality, and reflection. I'd like to show y'all one of the exercises that I do with folks in a low-stakes way to show them just how deep bias runs and how hard it is to disrupt patterns, ideas, and thoughts that we've been socialized with. It's called the Stroop test. It's the Stroop word and color test, I believe. And it was developed by a gentleman named John Ridley Stroop in the mid-1930s. And the idea ultimately is to test the brain's executive function when two attributes of a stimulus are presented at the same time. Case in point, there are a set of colors up here that you could see. They're pretty straightforward: red, blue, yellow, green, etc. I want you to read those. And now, read the ones here, but only say the color that the word is written in. Okay? Let me know in the comments below how hard or easy that was. Okay. So hopefully you've tried both parts, part one, part two, and seen in that second go round that it was a little bit harder, just for a quick second, but a little bit harder to be able to give the correct response. That slight delay, that dissonance, is what's called the Stroop effect. That's basically the prefrontal cortex struggling to suppress giving the wrong answer because it understands the task. Read the word in the ink, say the color of the ink as opposed to what you're actually seeing. So it has to pause, figure that out, and then give you the right answer. That struggle to scale, if you overlay that with modern human interaction and all of the ways that we have stories and ideas and beliefs put upon us at all different kinds of levels simultaneously, it's very hard to be able to look up from all of that and see something different, to have a different viewpoint. And so doing something like the Stroop effect gives people an opportunity in a low stakes way to see just how hard it is to disrupt those patterns that we've been seasoned with our entire lives, and give us a way to now be able to pause and hold things out at arm's length and have a better understanding of what's actually happening in front of us real time, as opposed to just relying on these unconscious thoughts and beliefs. Hope that's helpful, and I will definitely be putting up a second video to further contextualize not only bias, but the cycle of socialization as well. Take care.